My feeling is that we tend to be focused on what we see, meaning on the short-term element, the short disruption that we have. Of course, we have the discussion about inflations, the rising inflations. We have discussion about the crisis, meaning that humanitarian crisis also, and all the elements that could derive out of that. But real estate business is a long-term play, meaning it's not just about the current challenges, it's about the long-term drivers and the disruption that we are facing and so on. And I think that is also important while finding solutions for the short-term challenges. Is also always important to have a view on the long-term aspect. And the long-term drivers and challenges that we had before the pandemic and also before the crisis are still there. The way of capital willing to find a way to the real estate sectors. When you look at, for example, the investors, institutional investors globally that need to deploy 920 billion in order to meet the target allocation to the real estate sectors of something around 11%, meaning this is a big topic, and this capital we're still trying to find a way to be invested in the real estate sectors. Of course, that will going to be reduced, but when you make that in comparison between this way of capital, these dry powders, and the transaction volume last year, 1.3 trillion, you know that even a portion of this dry powder finding the way to the real estate business, that will still have an impact.